Alright, good morning everyone. So my name is Carlo Castro. You can actually search me, facebook.com/ Najiro, HSN, or yeah, here. Okay, alright. Okay, so I'm going to teach you on how to encode your pay-ins. So first, you need to go to the website, success200portal.com, and you need to input your own username. So for the meantime, I'm going to use my cousin's username and password. Kasi mag-encode po tayo. Click on sign in. And una pong magbubukas dyan is yung account information, your own account information. So you don't need to do about it or to do anything about it. Just go to your dashboard, all right, to encode your pay-ins. So we're going to encode the second account of Miss Gemini Lee and Revelia. So since I don't know her account information or her password, I'll just use my cousin's. All right, so this one. All right, so kung mapapansin po ninyo, lalagay po natin dito kahit saan actually. All right. Carlo, what if invite yan ng cousin mo? That's still fine kasi ito na lang po yung available slots. So yan po ang sinasuggest po natin sa kanila or sa lahat sa team na if you have more pay-ins, if you have more than two, para bumilis ang ating pag-exit is i-share po natin sa ibang tao. But it doesn't mean na mag-aabang na lang po yung iba kasi tatagal po tayo lalo. Okay? So all right, so get the information from your client or from your pay-ins. So the, the the account here, the preferred account username is this one. All right. So let's just put some default password. All right. So ang importante po dito is yung mga may asterisk sa field, like the account username and everything, and just the mobile number. So just check it out. So let's make it faster kasi may limit po yung aking recorder. Email address cannot be changed. Username cannot be changed. Your first and last name cannot be changed. So please, when you do encoding, make it slower siguro, or just make sure na tama po yung information na nilalagay ninyo. Kasi kapag nagpapalit po tayo ng pangalan ng anything, anything na papalitan po sa account, we are going to pay for it. So rather we do it perfectly, just like what happened to me before. So I have a different username. So need to pay. I believe it's 200. So if you don't want to pay it, just stick with it. Wag lang magkakamali talaga sa pangalan kasi kailangan mo talagang palitan yan. All right. So put this one LVZ68M, and this is the registration code. And this is the PIN code. All right. And once you're done, you can actually click on I hereby read and agree to the terms and conditions. If you want to read this, that's fine. If you don't want to read that, that's fine as well. So create new account, click on it. And there you go. All right, successful. Nope, that's not my account. You're now registered. Your account number is yada yada yada. All right, that's it. So after you encode it, go back to your dashboard just to make sure that your pay-in is already encoded perfectly. And voila, she's here now. Yeah, that's her second account. This is her first account. All right, so 2 slots before level 2. So yung mga gustong mag-join na, and 2 slots remaining. Once you are encoded, you are automatically on level 2. All right, so check out on my other presentation for other details, for more information on how it works. Para magkaroon po tayo ng knowledge. All right. She's encoded already. Let's log out. Tingnan natin kung kaya pa ng aking recorder. I just want to show you guys my account. This is the account that exited previously. All right. Okay, para lang malaman ninyo, yeah. So there it is. So pwede po kayo mag-buy codes kung gusto niyo. It's just that there's a 1% admin fee. So yeah, so 10,000. Just want to show you guys. All right, so again, this is Carlo Castro signing out. And search for me in Facebook, www.facebook.com/Najiro Echizen, or simply type KCARL space O space CSTRO on the search field and you'll see me. I'm not sure if you can see this. Yeah, this is me. This is my second exit. I have the other ones on my profile. All right. So because of Success 200, I was able to buy two phones, two new phones, one for my beloved wife and one for me. Now two for her and Honor 3C Live for me. Cool, cool stuff. All right. So again, thank you for watching. God bless you, and we're gonna wait for you. All right. Bye bye.